Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with the latest design and video. Hope you like the video, so please must watch video till the end, and if you like, so please share your comments. Must watch video till the end. So let's start the video. There is lots of design, homemade craft, and homemade design, especially for your upcoming Christmas event. As you know, Christmas is not the event is traditional event, and you can use this homemade craft and design for your business and start up for your business. It's not only customer who benefits, employed to do work in a beautiful decorated cheerful environment lift team spirit. When staff feel happy and festive, they engage better with customer, provide better services, and create a overall position atmosphere. Craft decoration also bring sustainability into the pictures. Instead of relying on plastic, business can choose eco-friendly, reusable or handmade option. Customers appreciate green initiative and eco-conscious products. Even after Christmas, many craft decoration can be reposed saving cost for the next year. It's an investment that keep on giving. So let's wrap it up. Christmas craft decoration are not just about beauty, they are about strategy, direction and growth to attract customer. They are and they attract branding, boost sales, build emotional brand, and even improve employee moral. What whether it's a small boutique or an hang company, embroidery, handmade, holiday decor can set a business apart and help it shine bright during the most competitive season of the year, the Christmas. Remember, every wreath, ornaments, or handmade craft is not just decoration, it's a business growth and bridge to your community and symbol of joy the customer carry in their hearts long after the season end. So viewers, if you like the video, if you like this video, so please share with your friends and your family, and must share your valuable comments. We are waiting for your comments, so share your thoughts, your suggestions. We will work on it and upload next video according to your suggestions. So if you really want to watch tutorials and for homemade craft, especially in your upcoming Christmas event, so please visit our channel. There is lots of ideas and designs for homemade and holidays events for decoration your home. So please visit our channel and start your own business with homemade craft, home decoration. Sparkle, light up your events. Thanks for watching our channel.